This is 2023. It's the Audi S8 APR trim package. It's got the twin turbo V8. We're going to leave it all stock in the back. It does have the dual mode exhaust system back here. We're going to leave all those there. Customer just wants to get a little more sound, a little more performance out of it. We're going to remove the mid muffler, delete that. It has a kind of a built-in X pipe there. We're going to leave that there and remove the front resonators here, but leave all the catalytic converters, all that on. Just like I said, give it a little more sound, performance. We'll see what that sounds like here when we're done. Okay, to show you here what we did again, took the mid muffler out, put 3-inch pipes in there in place of the resonator there. Like I said before, it has the X pipe there. Took the 2 front resonators out. It's all stock other than that. I'm gonna do a little outside video here.